Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you already have the application installed and you have your account signed in, then just go ahead and open up the Trust Wallet application. You will be asked to enter your PIN or use your biometrics to log into your account. So just go ahead and log in and you will end up on the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, just tap on the buy option and then just search for Baby Dogecoin. Once you find it, just tap on it and you will be taken to the buy screen. From here, you can simply select your currency at the top right corner and then type in how much you want to spend. You will then be shown how much Baby Dogecoin you will receive. As the best exchange is already selected by default, we can simply tap on the next button and proceed with buying our crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.